Python if statement, false versus 0.0. Is it possible to? Without deleting the key if v equals 0.0, false seems to equal 0.0, and without deleting the keys who equal true.
Or you can put it like this.
You should use v is false instead of v equals false. The same applies for your comparison to none. See PEP 8, Style Guide for Python. Comparisons to singletons like none should always be done with is or is not, never the equality operators.
Slow down guys with your advice, from PEP 8. Don't compare Boolean values to true or false using equals. Also comparing float value you should not use equals but abs x other, very small.
Also you could use. This may not be quite as precise as if v is false, as it also runs for if v is 0, none, empty set, etc. I had trouble with this problem and the above solution worked for me.
If you're not told to